Power target trades, power trigger trades. Alright people, in this video I'm going to explain how can you become successful and become a member inside of Power Group Trades, a place where we make great gains in options, 100 to 300% gains, all documented on my YouTube channel. So the very first thing is you want to understand what I'm about, right? Why would you want to become a member inside of Power Group Trades when you don't understand how we make money, right? And so one of the things you should do is on my Power Trigger Trade, first of all, I should have a Twitter account, become a follower, number one, on Power Trigger Trade, right? And number two, what you want to do is you want to go to my YouTube channel. And there's a link right on Power Trigger Trade, right on the, you're going to see a YouTube link, okay? You can look for that, where there's some photos and on the top of where photos and videos are posted, right? You go to the up there, you'll see there's a link. It even shows you there's a link, right? And you go to my YouTube channel, Power Target Trade. So we're going to go there right now. And one of the things you should do after you've seen the video and everything, and you follow the instructions, you should subscribe to the YouTube channel, right? Subscribe to this YouTube channel. It's very important because this YouTube channel is a teaching mechanism, right? Where we show you how we're making the gains, right? And basically, you see right over here, I'm going to be talking about this Apple winning plan, because I'm going to post it in this video for you to be able to see it and then be able to make comments on it, okay? So because you have a YouTube account and you subscribe, you see the video, you're able to make comments on it, right away, right? And it's important, right, that you do so. Do something like that, okay? This is one metric, okay? So view a couple of videos, really study them, understand what we're about. Like it, make a comment on the video, okay? It's a perfect way that I know that you've studied what we're talking about, right? While you're doing this, you might as well, do everything the right way, right? Because you are serious to make money and you want to be come in our group. By the way, Power Group Trades is free. It's free for you to succeed so that you can send gifts, because you're making money. But until you're making money, you're not sending anything, right? But again, we help you make money, so it's very easy for you to send gifts, right? And again, you'll be doing that on your free will. You're going to be glad to, because you want to be a member in the group, right? It's a win-win for everybody, this method. It's the most honest, best way to do things. It's never been done before, right? But I'm that confident that you're going to succeed in my group if you follow my instructions. If you're studying, if you do what I'm telling you to do, you're going to succeed. All right, so let's go back to Power Trigger Trade here. And what you want to also do are a few retweets and likes. So that's a retweet and a like, okay? But retweet and like some posts that you took a look at, that you understand. So for example, like that Apple winning plan, for example. You take a look at the plan, you do a retweet and like. So that's that. How do you do retweets and likes? Well, basically hitting that as a retweet, hitting that as a like. So it literally takes less than 5 seconds to do retweets and likes. However, you want to retweet and like what you're looking at, right? And then what's better also is making a comment after you've done a retweet and like, right? So hit, right? You click on this comment section, which is reply, and that's how you get inside the comments, right? So let me show you this. So you hit reply, and you're able to make a comment like, I would love to make these gains. Like you type it in here in this box. I would love to make these gains. I would love to make these gains. And so on. I enjoyed the video. I want to get inside this group. Hit the tweet button, and you made a comment, right? And it's different for other people who've made money. They may say, I made some great gains. Basically, that's what social media is about. Sharing our ideas, sharing experiences, right? And what better way to do that by actually making a comment? And what happens if you did make a comment? What happens if you hit the box over here? See how I hit the box? So if I made a click, I think, yeah, it's a left click exactly, opens this up. And what you'll notice is you will actually be able to find yourself. You made a comment, like you see all these people who've made comments, right? And you never really see a lot of this action on other streams, because simply there is no respect. There people are not paying attention. It's like a waste of time. Most of the Twitter out there, it's a waste of time. This is a serious place about making money. You know, making money in the stock market is it's a last chance for people to actually make a lot of wealth, but it is, you got to know what you're doing, right? Trying to open up a business is very difficult. It's very costly, and is a higher risk, believe me, to open up a business. Working for a company, you're not, your money, you only work, you're not, your money isn't doing anything for you, so you're not really growing your wealth, right? And we're also about health as well, right? But that's another story. I'm a health and wealth expert, right? Because what good is it making money if you don't have your health? But that's another story here, right? I want to share something with you. There are various different people sending gifts, different size accounts. But we're going to talk about like someone who's been very successful, like Dexter here. I want to show you this here, and this was on, well, this was the Google plan, but he was actually. I want to talk about that. I want to show the Apple plan. Give me a second here. Let me find the Apple plan. Yeah, so here's the video right over here. Here's the post right over here. Was March 22nd. Now, Dexter, actually, that week we had a lot of great wins in Google, Amazon, and Apple. He has sent me three to four of these gifts, $321 for these various different plans we had, right? And you can see here. Hi, Sandro. Here's another gift for your Apple win. Stopped out at one. So actually, when you see that video, the Apple video that I'm going to post in this video, you're going to see how we made money. And in fact, there's two videos to see, but that video shows you how we were stopped out $1,700 per option, and those options cost $500. So your money went 150%, right? So your 500 went as much as $1,700. Okay, and that was held properly. It was about the runners. It was about a week. It was about five or six, 7 day hold. You have to take a look at the video. And I'm gonna include that video in this video right here for you to see. Okay, so I'm gonna close this over here now, and you can see that here, right? What he said, so easy with your directions. Can't say again. Dexter's been in my group a long time. He sent me a lot of gifts. I've received thousands and thousands of dollars of gifts from Dexter because he's made money in the group, right? It's that simple, right? And you can make money too, the right way in our group, right? But you still, if you're not studying and understanding what we're doing, how are you able to take action? How are you able to make money, right? It's free to make money. Listen, it's free to join, for you to succeed, so that you can be someone like Dexter. Everyone will have different amounts depending on their account size, right? And you're getting involved by showing me that you looked at some stuff. You hit by hitting a few retweets and likes, right? And making some comments. Of course, the comments on the videos, on the YouTube videos, make one of them, right? So let's say after you've done all that, right? So you've studied out what we're about, right? Basically, you want to have a Twitter account as well, and you want to have a profile pic. This is my profile pic. See, it's of a bull. It shows you what we're about. It's about the market, right? Making the money, right? And this is a profile pic, and it could be of stock chart, success, or a picture of yourself. So have that, and also don't have a locked account. Okay. And so once you've done that, what you want to do is type a message in here into Power Group Trades. Power Group Trades, right? Type Power Group Trades in the search box, and you'll pick it up. It'll come to something like this. It's a locked account place. So you send me a message. You tell me why you want to become a member. Tell me, which profile you use to make the comments on the Twitter. Sorry, on the YouTube. And why you want to become a member. What you learned, what you enjoyed about it. And basically, you get inside. I want to make sure that people that are understanding that they're serious, right, for success, that they've taken the time to do some studying. So don't rush this process. Take a few hours, take a few days, whatever it takes for you to understand what we're about, and then you're ready to send me a message saying I'm really serious. I've been following you, whatever it is. I take a look at your videos. I really want to be successful. Whatever it is, it comes from the heart. It comes from your heart. Why do you want to succeed? Whatever it is, right? You share that story with me. and you get inside the group. Now I want to share something with you. A lot of people don't do the right things. I want to show you. Think it's not about followers. I don't just let anybody get into this group. I want to make this very clear. All right, so I'm inside of Power Group Trades. I want to show you here. As you can see, right now there are 42. It says 42 followers, but these are 42 members in the group right now, and that can fluctuate. It's going to go higher, lower, whatever it's going to happen. It's based on, new people are going to come. Some people are going to go or won't be in the group simply because they're not following the rules. Whatever it is, right? But there's a lot of people. I could have so many followers in here. I've kicked so many people out of the group, and this is why I make these videos to act as a filter, because we want to get the right kind of people that are serious to succeed. We don't want people that are looking to get rich quick without understanding how to make money first, right? You don't just make money magically. You need to know what you're doing, and that's what we train you. I do live streams, I talk, I show the videos, I have you get involved, I have you look at the videos. We want you to succeed. We want you to be right. We want you to be successful mentally, okay? So basically, you can see here 144 pending follow requests, okay, from people who don't do the right things, right? I could have so many. I could easily put people in here. Click, 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 and they're in. I take the time one-on-one to take a look at your message, to speak with you, to help you, to motivate you to do the right things. Then you get inside this group, because then I know you have a chance to succeed, right? People who can't follow simple instructions, who don't take the time to study, how are they going to succeed in the market when it's one of the most difficult places in the world to make money in? If it was so easy, everyone would succeed. But the reality is, there's tremendous opportunities for those that are serious for success. The market's one of the last places where you have a chance to create tremendous wealth from a small amount of money. $5,000, $10,000 account, right? Gives you the power. You want to be funded properly. That's an important thing. You want to be at least have $5,000 to $10,000, and then ask me how many options you should be getting into per plan, right? And again, a simple rule of thumb: if you have a $5,000 account, you're probably going to be best to start with one contract per plan, and then when you get to 10,000. Then you can go to 2 contracts per plan, and so on and so forth as your account grows, and 3 contracts per plan, and 4, and so on and so forth, right? The key is success, for you to succeed, no matter what, and you will. If you follow my instructions, you're coming to my live streams, you're studying, you're seeing the winning videos, you are going to be motivated, you're going to learn how to make money in the market, and I'm here to coach you to succeed in Power Group Trades. So get yourself into Power Group Trades. Again, a reminder to study the created playlist. Look for a few videos. I'm going to have this Apple winning plan video in this video for you to see. Also, at the end of the video, you're going to see a picture of me in a circle format. Simply click on it. It gives you an easy way to subscribe. So make sure you study this video. Make sure to see this video. I'm going to link this video right here. You're going to see it. You're going to see it appear like this in a box, and you're going to be able to click on it so you can see it. I suggest you then make a comment on it, especially if you want to get inside this group. And then after you make a comment on it, you can, and you've subscribed, what you do is you send me a message on Power Group Trades, like I showed you from the Twitter, right? And do what I've explained, and you're going to get inside the group. And I look forward for you to succeed. I really do. But again, this message is really for somebody who really wants to succeed in life, make great gains, great health, and you can check out my health stuff. This is you're going to see. You never see people in this business in investing look at both metrics, health and wealth. I mean, it's a complete picture. So honestly, this is a powerful channel. Study it. When you're ready, become a member inside of Power Group Trades. Don't rush the process. Take your time, study, get inside the group. Right? Follow the instructions in this video, and I hope to see you inside. Power Target Trades, Power Trigger Trade.